Before we talk about some agile methods, let's review the traditional software development life cycle when using waterfall approach. This approach is called waterfall because of the series of steps to create the final product. Initial. You can see that the initial step is to collect all of the requirements necessary. That's followed by design phase, which is where the software structure determines. Then in the implementation phase, the software is actually developed. In the verification phase, the software is tested both for correctness and acceptance. And then, once the software is being deployed, there is a maintenance phase. This traditional approach is perfectly suitable and logical for project management. However, when it comes to software development, where there is a high level of complexity, uncertainty, and challenges, dealing with change is not only difficult, it's very expensive. For example, if you discover critical design flaw during verification or get the requirement change during implementation, the amount of rework needed to correct this can be probative. The result is a tendency to resist change, which in turn compromises the spirit of customer collaboration. If you have a project that is very clear in terms of its requirement and is unlikely to experience too many changes, waterfall can be reasonable and effective approach for projects to simply migrate features or products from one platform to another. Keep in mind that both the problem and the solution must be clear for this approach to be a good choice. Let's look at some agile methods and see how they are likely a better fit for projects that are complex and uncertain, like software development.